Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So still pretty much range bound, nothing really changed. However, we do kick off with the FANG stock earnings today. So channel, pretty much. You can see we were sideways last week and then had this big rejection bar and then turned around and moved up. So big down. Big up and down, big up. So look at the oscillators. They are starting to turn and they are turning separated. There is divergence here. I suspect we're looking for a catalyst that's going to drive us higher. But there are quite a few shorts in the market. So if that does happen, it's going to trigger a lot of stops and that would accelerate it to the upside. On the other side of the coin, if you start looking at the lower time frame, so the 3 hour, you can see we sort of eased off the bottom on the oscillators, and we kind of, by the looks of things, rejecting this level here. And what I want us to do is just pay attention to that bottom level there. There's no real structure to the left. It's kind of just slap bang in the middle of everything here. But that is the story that we have. We're in a channel, that's pretty clear, and we are sort of sideways at the moment. You can see here a big down, big up, big down, big down, big up. If you just get down on a lower time frame, you'll see it even clearer. There we go. Big down, big up, big down, big up. So, remember what we say, if we're doing this kind of price action sort of above and below the moving averages like that, it's never something that you want to be trading. It's as I said yesterday, sit on my hands and wait for better structure. At the moment, we're sort of back at the moving averages. We haven't crossed over, still bearish, but they're flat. And then look at my oscillators here, rolled over. Wouldn't surprise me to see another move down. Now, there is a weak trend line there inside the channel. That is a series of higher lows, and then we did make a higher high, but then when we pulled back here, we made a lower high. So that's kind of the start of a triangle inside some structure. In other words, inside this channel. So it does look like it's looking to break, but the question is which way. Now, 15 minutes is obviously what we want to be paying attention to, but I mean, I don't even know how you're supposed to play this. This is, you're looking for marginal gains here. So, granted that was a level we were paying attention to, 4118, probably could have taken a stab at it with this big engulfing bar here. So there, 89, 90 point stop loss. Probably was pre-market as well. No, it wasn't pre-market. It was just as the European market had opened. And kind of tagged that level to the upside again, broke through the structure here. But now you can see we're sort of back below it again. So I'm still sitting quietly, I think. Not really keen. Doesn't look like it's going to get going. I think we're probably going to either come back and test this structure for another attempt at this zone. And this zone now starts getting very interesting because you've got the channel trend line here, plus you've got some structure here, 41.44, 41.47, round that up to 41.50. And 41.50 has been an area of interest for us for quite some time. So there are little gaps here as well. And there's even one all the way down here. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see us break through this trend line, find support lower down, and then just continue ranging. I don't want to trade that, to be honest. I think that's just a recipe for disaster. 1 hour looks like could be a potential double top here, engulfing inside bar there, or should I say piercing bar. Oscillators rolled over, but there's no other indication that something's going to happen here. So I think it would be wise just to wait. You've got some big earnings coming out today. I think it's Google is the one. I know Facebook is tomorrow. And let me just check what the other one was. But we do have some really big stocks kicking off today. Yeah, so it's Microsoft and Google. Microsoft, Google, Visa, and a number of results with Facebook tomorrow, and then Amazon and MasterCard on Thursday. So yeah, so a relatively big day. Quite a number of stocks that are releasing results today. So that could be the catalyst. But anyway, enough rambling from me. I think it's probably safer just to continue waiting and see what happens. We could get a break to the upside, or we could get a move. I don't think we'll get a big move to the downside, but if any break does happen, we'll probably come back to test this level. Don't see us bouncing through this level just yet, unless there's a major catalyst. Or alternatively, we're coming back to look for another. There's an area here, there's sort of another higher low or double bottom type effect here. Anyway, that's kind of what I'm seeing. I don't think it's worth chasing this at the moment. I think probably wiser just to wait for the catalyst, whether it's the data or whether it's earnings. Something's going to give, and it's either going to give to the upside or give to the downside, and that would give you the explosive move that you'd be looking for. But at the moment, I am sitting quietly. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.